Alright kiddos, so today we are going to be drawing the puffin, also known as the Atlantic puffin, because these birds live in areas around the North Atlantic Sea. So we're talking Canada, Scotland, Greenland, Ireland, Iceland, all those places that get kind of chilly. Alright, first off, we're going to start with a circle towards the top of the page, then a bigger circle underneath, kind of snowman-like. Alright, a little oval towards the bottom for the feet. So notice the way these are stacked. Okay, so I'm going to start with that circle on top, that's the head, and draw a line going out. Then do some curved lines to connect it, so this will be our beak. Next, we'll kind of do a similar shape for the tail on the bigger circle on the other side. Then I want to connect my feet. So we'll just draw some straight lines at an angle. And now we've got all of our big shapes in, I'm going to get some more definition here. So I'm going to put my other leg now. And that doesn't look right. That would mean that that one foot is stepping on the other, and that usually doesn't happen. Okay, so I'm going to make this foot look like it's behind the other one, right? It's a little bit further away. And now the feet have got a good shape, so I'm going to go back in here and add some details to the rest. So I'm going to put my wing in the body and some little tufts for the tail, and I want to make that wing a little feathery now. The puffin has some different colors going on in the beak, so it's kind of like these stripes. And also, of course, needs an eye. Then these kind of unique shapes up top. Connect the head and the body by drawing a neck. Okay, so I'm using my marker, and make sure you get permission to use whatever tool you're using, whether it's marker or pen, or you can just keep using the pencil and just draw harder lines over it for your finish lines. Okay, then we're going to erase out the pencil lines. Now be careful, you'll see I smudged mine a bit, so definitely better to wait until it's totally dry. I can get a little impatient, but if it's totally dry, then that won't happen. The next thing I'd like to do is fill it in with black. Now I've already outlined everything in black, so I have to be careful about making sure that those lines I already put down show up somehow. You want to think about it like now we're turning it into a white outline. So you'll see where those lines were, and I'm doing that just by outlining around the space, right? It's not like I'm filling it in with the white marker. I'm just doing the inverse. It's kind of tricky. It takes some practice. And even when you've practiced it a whole bunch of times, it's easy to still mess this up. So give it a shot, see what you think, and you can always try it again. So once you've filled in all the black and you're totally done with that, our puffin is like 90% finished. You'll just want to throw in a few colors there. And I'll show you mine, which I did digitally this time. But you can do it with a color pencil, crayon, marker, or whatever you have. Well, I had fun creating our happy little puffin, and I hope you did too. So please join me next time. Come back, like the videos if you like it, and subscribe if you want to see more. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.